So what I've started with are some beautiful green tomatoes, and I've just gently cut the core out, and we're just going to slice a few about 1/4 of an inch thick. I like them pretty thick, if you can't see the ones over in my display. And there we go. Now I'm not going to keep the very bottom end piece because the stuff's not going to stick to him. So in a bowl, I'm going to whisk a couple of eggs. How loud that was. So I've got 2 eggs, and then I'm going to do about 1.5 cups of buttermilk. We're not measurers. All right, and then we're going to dip this tomatoes down into this egg bath, will be what I would call it, and just get them good and coated. And you can do them one at a time, or you can throw them all down in here at the same time. I like to just throw mine in, and then when I start dipping, I'll be ready. So our mixture here is, we use the Zatarain's fry mix. It's not the really spicy one, it's right in the middle. And then we do 1 cup of it to 1 cup of flour. And then I'm just going to kind of stir this together. And this, for me, I can mix up a whole bunch of different things, but this is the perfect blend for us here. And then, so, get this over here. And I'm going to do my wet hand, dry hand, just to preserve my mixture. And then over here in an iron skillet, which I do not have on a stove eye because we're not getting to come to the studio right now, I have it about a 1/2 inch of oil in here. And then I would have this on the stove, and you would heat this up to about 360, 350, and then you would just put your tomatoes down in. And then you will let them cook for probably 2 to 3 minutes, and then you would take some tongs and flip them and get on the other side. And when you get done, you have these beautiful fried green tomatoes. And we serve those here with our homemade chipotle mayonnaise. Wouldn't that be an awesome treat? And all you have to do is drive down to downtown Madisonville and check us out. We're open Sunday from 7 a.m. till 3 p.m. Monday through Wednesday, we're open at 8 a.m. till 3 p.m. And Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. at night. Come down and check us out.